All right. Slav defense. I'm waiting. Why am I waiting so long? For so long? I think here. Oh my goodness! He tricked me. Okay, rematch. Is he going to play? I'm going to block him if he's not playing again. Ah, alright, he just played. I give up the points. E3. Okay. Let's try to continue to block that square. I think I need to block a 4 or to exchange the pieces like this. What? He just blundered that? Whoa. Can't understand. Both of us playing very, very stupid moves. Wow. What's going on here? Okay, it was a strategical mistake. I have very nice squares right now. And he blundered that. What? This is 2300 player? Okay, let's go back. I'm playing very bad moves. Okay. He has some initiative. I'm threatening this. Let's take there. He would like to play here. I'm going to take the knight. Okay, I'm threatening the rook. Okay, I'm going to win this game, right? I don't know. Maybe this is the way how 2300 players are playing chess. I can't take that. I'm threatening. Oh, come on, you're cheating or something. What was that? Okay, go to the hell. I'm going to do this. Check. He's not cheating. I just capture everything. Yeah, okay, simple tactics. Okay. Okay, you can resign now. Obviously. I don't understand. He's continue playing. He has less time. He's playing very stupid moves. Okay, beginner checks. Okay, another check. I just blundered. I need to be careful, right? Or maybe not, I don't know. What am I doing? I lost my rook there. I'm completely stupid, 100% stupid. 100%. Yeah, I'm 100% stupid. Let's go forward to run away, maybe. Let's protect this. Okay, I'm going to take something very important. Okay, don't let him go inside. He's going to do stupidness, I guess. Go inside with my pawns. You're not going to do that. He's playing like 100 rating. 1000 rating. Now I blundered the rook. I didn't see that. Okay, let's give this check. Now I'm threatening checkmate. Yeah, you have this check. You have this check. We don't have other checks. Come on, he played like a kid right now. This is 2300 elo rating and he's not resigning actually. You're not resigning in this game. Who is this guy? Who is this guy?
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.